I'm not actually guys.
After nearly 2 hours and a backhoe, Denny working it like a little pole dancer. He got it straight. It was a pain, but we had to use a little ingenuity known as a chain to keep it from moving. And the bumper support fits now. Ah, you're just making noise to mess up my video. But now we're gonna put this thing back together. Maybe if we don't die, and start putting it all back together. This is the factory core sport, as you can see, twisted and bent, broken, toast. New ones over here. It's all plastic.